In terms of different places that you feel excited about, you already mentioned Bhutan, other places like Thailand, Costa Rica. Are there any particular countries that you think are especially Bitcoin friendly, or regions maybe in general, maybe Hispanic America or Africa or?
Yeah, Africa is interesting. I think Latin America is still the ripest for Bitcoin adoption simply because it's more stable and there's more energy. Africa adoption is definitely very interesting and it's more usage of Bitcoin. Like people are using it as money. So it's interesting in that method. But in terms of a nation adopting, I think the potential is definitely in Latin America, I see, or potentially in Southeast Asia. But definitely Africa is on the map for potential adoption too. It's just less politically stable as a whole. But Paraguay is interesting because they have so much excess energy, and we did meet with one senator there that was very keen. It's just a matter of convincing more people. But it'd be so easy for them to start tapping into that or issuing a Bitcoin bond. Argentina is another one. I think maybe with the lifeline extended from the US buying Argentinian pesos, they'll be less keen. But we also modeled out what a Bitcoin bond program for Argentina would look like. And it's possible that in 30 years, they would eradicate all of their debt. And they have a lot of debt. So $30 billion of Bitcoin bonds in 30 years, I think 11 to 30 years, that range could be wiping off their debt. And that's something Malay has talked about. He said maybe it'll take 100, but with Bitcoin, it's like a shortcut. You get there faster. But Thailand was also very encouraging. We had some meetings there with the government, and we put together a proposal. Our chief business officer, Michael, he made a really detailed and sound proposal about creating special economic zones for Bitcoin usage, starting in the tourist islands. And they did start from Phuket, and then now it's nationwide. The sandbox has expanded, and they also removed capital gains taxes too. So Thailand's also interesting.
I'm especially excited about Argentina as well. As you know, they recently approved the citizenship by investment law to launch a citizenship program. We have been, really close advising them. So hopefully, that intersection between bonds and citizenship also has something to do in there. Right now, the only program that accepts investment in government bonds is San Lucia, which is not especially energy rich. So super excited about that as well.